All right. What is up, everyone? Happy Tuesday. Hope we had a good trading day. Had some really good setups go off in the watch list today. Some of the swings really paid today, going off the continuation on the dailies. Let's get into it. Airbnb here. Boom. Off this inside day up from Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Bang. Outside month is complete. Holding on to that now to see if it can continue on up to here and to here. Bros, another one, just another 2-up continuation day, working its way back through this monthly here. 2-up continuation on the week, staying strong. I wouldn't be surprised if we did see another inside day or potentially a 2-down TTO type day. I can take this off here now. But again, if you're long from like right in here, from when it took this up, or from even in here, set your stops right here. Give it some room to work. See if it wants to go down, go 2 down on the day, and then flip back up and set up some kind of a reversal into Thursday. Oh, come on, internet. Oh, are we thinking about it? Oh, all right. Let's see if we can get through these. Nope. Nope, no, it's going to trip out on me. Thank you. Okay. CCL, taking that 2-up week today, flipping that month back green. Now you're getting out of all this congestion. So again, this could be the top of a broadening formation in here. But again, you want to see it come out of this area right here and stay out. So above here, we're good. We want to see more continuation into tomorrow. And CCL magnitude, let's see what let's see. The November 21st 30 calls are 1.5. So at magnitude, those would be worth 2.8, so probably not worth it in this case here. But again, could take shares. You could take shares for about $3 or so, and who knows, it could keep going. Let's see. Looks like all-time highs here, but could keep going. Worth holding on to if you are going to take some shares and go along with it. Dollar General. So again, you had the 2 down. So these ones, so you see DG went 2 down on the day, but again, could again come flip back up. It's already 2 up on the week, so you could get the 2 down or could go the 2 up today, flipping all these time frames back green, retaking that week up. Then let's just quick check in on DLTR, which again was stronger, but you're still inside week, so it's weaker on the week because it already DG already took the 2-up week, but this one is still inside week but has had 2 stronger days. So again, watching this one, looking for more continuation, just showing these 2 in tandem. Of the 2 right now, DLTR looks stronger. Then you've got Disney taking this 2 down, 2 up week, flipping the monthly back green with some, cluster pivots here on the monthly as well, with some range here to get back through on these guys. Let's see. So the 1121 Disney calls, the 120s, again, the 115s are 4.7. So again, you're only going to get a 2x if you get it up to there. And then the 120s are 2.6. So again, you're going to get a 2x if you get up into there. So again, maybe better to do with shares, or if you want to take a couple weeks out, if you want to be a little more risky on the options, go 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out. So we've got earnings coming up. So if you want to take a contract before the earnings date, thinking it could potentially move, take the contracts for November 7th. But any options contract after this earnings date are going to be a little more juiced up just because of the implied volatility expected move for earnings. So if you're going to get options, I would go before the earnings date because you're going to pay less for them before earnings. Docu, another one here. Good range here. You've got the 2 down, 2 down, 2 up week, flipping the month back green, but again, could be just the top of a little triangle layout broadening formation in here. So you want to see it expand out through this and break through this broadening formation and get up into here. And let's check out Docu's 1121s. So again, our magnitude is up at 86. So the 1121s. All right, so these are some cheapies here. The 75s, these are actually a little spready, so just be careful if you're taking entry. The 75s look like they're the best spread. Those are traded about 2.5 right now. So again, you take a 75 call at 2.5. You're expecting it to get up into 87, which means that contract would be worth 12. 87 minus 75, 12 at magnitude. You're paying 2.5, so you could make 4.5, almost 5x on that contract. You could take it from 2.5 up to 12. So that is a contract worth taking. And then, I mean, just look at these pivots here on the monthly. I mean, you know, tick these guys out lower here. Got these sweeping these lows down in here, coming back all the way through this range. It could keep going. And then, you know, you take the 1121s and they pay you decently, then you can take the next month out. And if it keeps going, take the next month out. Keep stacking the winners. But again, it's got to expand out of this broadening formation here. So looking for 15, 30 signals to get entry. Gap, another one, working its way back through this weekly pivot here. These PMGs there. Just a 2-up day, just a little grindy. That's okay. Keep moving up. Humana, another one again. A little salty I missed Sid here, and I didn't take it on the weekly, but look at that perfect entry. Retest that monthly. Bang, 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 bang. 2 down, 2 up week, working its way right back through. Look at these. I mean, just 262 up to 290, 33 bucks in 4 business days. How's that for some money in your pocket? Good trade for all those who took it. But this is what you're looking for. Retest that monthly. Boom. Rip. See you later. Jets try to take this 3-1-2 week to the upside. Froze out a little bit. Don't like the range. I'm probably going to take it off the watch list. Just kept it on to show you guys in case you trade those UAL, DAL, AAL stocks. Any of the big actual airlines. Jets is moving up, so if it does continue to move up, look for strength in airlines. Let's see which one looks the best here. DAL, not bad. Took that inside week. Stayed in force. UAL, weak. AAL, still inside week. Let's see, does this one still trade? No. All love. There's Southwest. Ooh, all right. So if you are watching Jets here and you see some continuation here, I would go to love first, taking that month continuation up, boom, up. Of course, they have earnings tomorrow. Disregard all that. Let's move on to the next one, KSS. All right, takes that inside week to the upside. Again, you get the 2-up day, sells off a little bit, but stays in force on the weekly. Still inside week to the upside. Looks like it might be down a little bit in after hours, but that's okay. Excuse me. Still love to see it come right back through this broadening formation here. ON, another one. This has been strong. Talked about it last 2 days. Here, the inside day, explosion candle. Another inside day, very similar setup. The only difference here, right? Red, green. That just means it closed here. That means this one opened here and closed there. That means this one opened here and closed there. Does not change anything. Still inside day. So you're looking for if you get this inside day break here to the upside, you're looking for a similar size move to what this candle did. And you got these pivots here on the monthly. Love to see it get back right up in your 60. So you could get like a nice $5 move. That's where you'd like to see it come up to next. On this one, just Stucky McStuck, but nice outside week. Huge candle today. Not much volume, but again, you like to see the 3, the buyer stepping up, being aggressive. I will be jumping up on this one if I see a 3-2 up continuation to the upside, because look at these. I mean, this is chopped up on the weekly, but again, look at this range here on the monthly. Boom, boom, boom. Let's look at what we got here on. These are gotta be cheap. There's no way these shouldn't be too pricey here. Yeah, so really not that spready either, which is good. So if you're looking, you could take the 43 calls. They're trading at 3.05 right now for November 21st. Your first magnitude is there. So at here, if it gets to the outside month, your contracts are break even. If it gets up into here, because they'll be worth actually your contracts will be up about $80, which is what you're looking for, but you're looking for the expansion of this. You're not looking to make $80 on a contract. You're looking for the expansion of the range. So you get up into here, boom, your 43s, these are worth 10 minus 43 here, up there. Keeps moving on up through here, 56, boom. Now they're worth 13 here. These contracts that cost 3.05. So this is what we're looking for. Look at this range just coming right back on through. Get through all these cluster guys on the weekly, but those are the options contracts that you are looking to take. On to the next one, pins. Again, pins strong. Again, working its way back through here. Earnings coming up, don't like that. It's been moving well. I'd love to see it come back through naturally, not with earnings, but we'll be trading it up until then, staying long as it continues moving up. QXO, another one talked about. We like this broadening formation here. You take the inside day break to the upside, try to take that 1-2 down, 2 up week. Freezes out a little bit, but it's good to see it expand out of here. You'd like to see it go 2-up continuation on the day again tomorrow, retaking that 2-2 week and getting up through these pivots in here. RNG. Never traded this one before, but I like to see this candle here. Take the inside week to the upside, working its way through. We want to get back into this congestion here. So it was stuck up in here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stuck in this range for 5 weeks, little over a month, and then it broke down. Now it's coming back up. We want to see this inside consolidation. It's just basically a 1, 2, 2 on a different time frame. Then you see this break down, and then boom, you want to see this explosion back up through this range, up in 32. Let's see what the RNG contracts are. Man, they're doing a good job pricing contracts. I gotta say, I have not found any super mispriced contracts here lately. But the 30s are traded about 1.7. So again, at magnitude, you could take a 1.7 up into a 2.8. Not the best RR there. You could still take it if you just like to see, because you'd like to see it come back through here, and it's a little bit on the cheaper side. But again, not the best option contract to take. You're not even guaranteeing yourself a 2x there. TGT, monster move today. Boom. Inside day, up. Buy it Monday. We're buying it again Tuesday, expanding back through this range. Very similar to RNG, right? You have this consolidation around the weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks, a month and a half stuck inside, breaks down. All they do is sell. Congestion area 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, another month. You kind of stuck down there. Now you're trying to break back up and explode through to the upside here. So TGT, stay long. This one, especially if you keep seeing moves like this. Earnings coming up a couple weeks here. Let's see if I got it. Oh, come on. Let's see if that's going to be a dividend. That's not going to be. All right. Either way, love to see it come back through, expand through this range here, get outside here on the monthly. Fantastic move today. TOST, we're going to try this one again as we continue to. Have no range. Boom, 3 on the day. Keeping that monthly in force, which is great. Keeping that monthly, that at no point did it ever fall below the monthly. You had 4 or 5 inside choppy days here. Boom, explosion up to the upside. Now you want to see this 3, 2 up continuation working back through these pivots. And again, a range here. Look at this range. ZM, old friend of mine. 2 down, 2 up on the weekly. Had a lot of buying in here, so I wouldn't hate an inside day or maybe coming back in 2 down and retesting here to keep that monthly green. But you've got some nice range here, and then this is why I like it, because if you look at this yearly chart, down, 3 years stuck inside. It's a growing company. People still use them. I know people still use them. They generate real revenue. There's the quarterly just stuck, but all this selling. So again, if you can start to see some expansions out of here, do I expect the stock to ever go back to all-time highs? Absolutely not. But I'm telling you, price has traded here. There are still people stuck in here. There are wounded soldiers up here that are still stuck in positions they've been buried in for years. So could the price eventually work its way back up to help some of these guys out? Yes. I don't expect all-time highs. But a stock that goes from 450 to 80, where price has traded before, you know there are people with orders in here still. That is something I'm always going to be of interest to me. All right, that's all I've got for you guys. Again, a little longer today. Trying to get more into the options explanation. I'm trying to help to keep this as simple as possible. Trading should be simple. Shouldn't be overthinking it. Don't worry about all this extra noise. Just try and keep it simple. So I'm trying to explain my process and show the simplicity of it. Same thing with the options contract. Keep everything simple in trading. Don't overextenuate. I don't even know what the word would be. Overextend your brain. It's not that hard. All right. Good luck, everyone. Have a good day tomorrow. Let's make some money. Talk to you then.